Hello friends, so here are some evaluation questions we are giving just to test our understanding on the topic of hybridization. Question number 1 says, identify the number of sigma and pi bonds in the following molecule. Good. Before we attack this question, it is important I remind you what I said in the last lecture. That is the rule of thumb for identifying the number of pi bonds and sigma bonds in any given molecule. The first thing I said, if you recall, is that in every single bond, we have a sigma bond. So every single bond is equal to a 1 sigma bond. Okay? I said that in every double bond, we have 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. So if we have a double bond, we're expecting to have, okay, 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. Good. So in every triple bond, okay, in every triple bond, we have 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds. So when we have triple bonds, we're expected to know that we have 1 sigma bond and we equally have 2 pi bonds. This is very important. So this summarizes this. So if this is what we have understood now, we can appreciate the number, we can evaluate the number of sigma bonds and pi bonds present in this wonderful molecule. Nice. So every single bond, okay, is a sigma bond. So here we count, let's count the total number of bonds that are present. We count 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 bonds, okay? So we need to know out of these 9 bonds, which one are sigma and which one is pi. It's important to identify that this is a sigma bond, okay? This is a sigma bond. If we have two double bonds, if we have a double bond, one definitely is a sigma, while the other one is a pi. So this is a sigma bond, okay? This is a sigma bond. Definitely this is a sigma bond. One of these is a sigma bond, one of these is a pi bond. So when we take our count, we discover that sigma is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this molecule, we have 7 sigma bonds, okay? And pi bonds are 1 and 2, and we have 2 pi bonds. Beautiful, 2 pi bonds for this. So the total of 9 bonds, where we have 7 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. The second question says, how many sigma and pi bonds are present in the molecule of hydrogen cyanide? As you can see again, this of course is a sigma bond, and if you have 3 bonds, okay, just know that one of it is a sigma bond, the other 2 are pi. So definitely this is a sigma bond. The second bond is definitely a pi bond. The third bond is a pi bond. So in this particular molecule, you can agree with me that we have 2 what? Sigma bonds, okay? And we have equally 2 pi bonds. Beautiful. So if you check it, 1, 2 sigma bonds, 1, 2 pi bonds. At the end of the day, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. So those bonds, 2 of it are sigma bonds and 2 of it are pi bonds. I hope you learned it. Please kindly share this video, like and share and comment. Make your comments. Thank you. Bye.